Sometimes when working in your drawing, you might need a scale. So we get inside our viewport by double clicking on it. Sometimes we might need a drawing scale or viewport scale that is not available to us. So we might go ahead and create our scale, right, by adding it and calculate all of those numbers and so on. But do you know that you could use the options dialog box to go under the user preferences tab and go under the default scale list option to go ahead and add here or edit or remove all of the scales or drawing scales that you need. So once you have that, you could use custom options under here on the drawing scales to reset your drawing scales. For instance, imperial, that's my units, and insert or reset all of your drawing scales like so. Do you know that?